Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2016 Set B NSO question paper for class 4 students. I have already uploaded some other IEO, NSO and IMO question papers for class 4 students. You please go to the playlist in Students Reference and click Olympiad class 4 to get these question papers. First, I will show you the full question paper. You try to solve it on your own. After reading the questions, you please pause the video and take your own time to answer the questions. I will attach the answer key at the end of this video. And first topic is logical reasoning. 1. Trishika started working in the morning as shown on the clock and stopped working after 8 hours and 30 minutes. Minute hand on the clock to show the time Trishika stopped working is dash. Read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. To find the answer, we will follow the steps one by one. Trishika started working in the morning as shown on the clock. So the clock shows 9 o'clock and stopped working after 8 hours and 30 minutes. Minute hand on the clock to show the time Trishika stopped working is. So Trishika stopped working after 8 hours 30 minutes means we have to add this 8:30. Okay. Here our question is minute hand on the clock to show the time Trishika stopped working is dash. Here Trishika stopped working at 17 hours 30 minutes. To show 30 minutes, minute hand should be on 6. So our answer is B 6. 2. Which of the following group of alphabets is missing in the given logo? This is the given logo. You read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. Here our question is we have to find out the missing group of alphabets. If we look at the given options, the letter O is not given in this logo. So our answer is C. 3. Who is heaviest? We look at the given 3 balances carefully and try to find out the answer. So to find out the answer, first we have to note down the weights of 3 balances. So the weights are 55 kg, 30 kg and 60 kg. So to find the weight of the cat, we have to subtract the weight of this one from this. So minus 30. So weight of cat is 25 kg. So to find the weight of the dog, we have to subtract the weight of cat from this value. So 60 minus 25. So weight of the dog is 35 kg. So which one is the heaviest? Dog. So our answer is B, dog. 4. Select the odd one out. You read the given 4 options carefully and try to find out the answer. The odd one out is C, river. Because if we read the other 3 options, no, our, tsunami, the first letters are silent. In river, the first letter R is not silent. 5. Which of the following options will complete the given number pattern? You read the given number pattern carefully and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, first we have to find the relationship between the given numbers. Okay. If we subtract this from this, we get 17. If we subtract this from this, we get 19. If we subtract this from this, we get 21. Okay. That means if we add 17 to this number, we get this number. If we add 19 to this number, we get this number. So if we add 23, 17, 19, 21, 23. If we add 23 to this number, we get this answer. So we get 11,462. So our answer is A. Next topic is science. 6. Which of the following leaves belongs to the plant whose flower is shown here? This is the given flower. You try to find out the answer. So the correct answer is C. 7. Refer to the given picture of a plant with some of its parts labeled as X, Y and Z. In the absence of part dash, the plant cannot make its food because it will not have dash. Select the option that correctly fills the blanks in the above given statement. You look at the given picture carefully and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we will read the options one by one. Y, carbon dioxide. So in the absence of part Y, and here Y is stem. So in the absence of part stem, the plant cannot make its food because it will not have carbon dioxide. This is a wrong one. And next one is Z, water. Z is root. In the absence of part root, that means in the absence of root, the plant cannot make its food because it will not have water. This is a correct one. Next is X, chlorophyll. X is leaf. In the absence of leaf, the plant cannot make its food because it will not have chlorophyll. This is also a correct statement. So our answer is both B and C. D is our answer. 8. Mangrove plants grow in a special swampy areas. In order to grow well, they have developed stems that store water, leaves that have abundance of chlorophyll, fruits that do not rot, roots that grow above the soil. The correct answer is D. Roots that grow above the soil. 9. The Earth's atmosphere is made up of various gases. Which of the following best describes this composition of gases? You look at the given 4 options carefully and try to find out the answer. The correct answer is C. Because in our atmosphere, around 78% is nitrogen, around 21% is oxygen. Okay. The remaining are other gases. 10. All the animals given here have the same number of different stages in their life cycles except one. Identify this odd animal. Look at the given pictures carefully and try to find out the answer. The odd one out is C, frog. It has 4 stages in its life cycle, but the other 3 have only 3 stages in the life cycles. 11. Select the unhealthy food habit from the following. We should eat our food in small bites and chew it properly. We should eat food at regular intervals. Our dinner should be the heaviest meal of the day. Our diet should include plenty of fruits and vegetables. So the unhealthy food habit here is C. 12. How can you preserve X juice and Y peas for longer period without much affecting their taste? You read the given four options carefully and try to find out the answer. So the correct answer is C. Canning and freezing. Canning for juice and freezing for peas. 13. Refer to the given conversation among three friends and select the correct option. You read the given three conversations and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we will read the conversations one by one. I saw a documentary about people who move from one place to another. They live in X. X can be caravans or tents. This is a correct statement. My grandfather was posted in areas with heavy rainfall for 10 years. Why are very common there? Why can be stilt houses? Yes, this also correct. I will build a Z for me someday with a large lawn and at least 10 rooms. Z. Z can be bungalow. This also correct. So our answer is all of these. D. 14. Select the option that correctly identifies the animals X and Y in the given flowchart. Look at the given flowchart and read the given informations carefully and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we will read the given informations in the flowchart one by one. Lays eggs, no. Lives in water only, yes. That is X. So X doesn't lay eggs and lives in water only. Okay. Hippopotamus is wrong. And snail, this also wrong. Dolphin, yes, this is the correct one. Seal, it can lay eggs, so this also wrong. So the correct answer is C. We will check option Y also. Lays eggs, yes. Lives on both land and water, yes, yes. Frog lays eggs and it lives on both land and water. 15. The man in the diagram will dash. You look at the given picture carefully. Read the given four options and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we will read the options one by one. Fall because the banana peel will reduce gravity. This is wrong. Not fall because the banana peel will not reduce gravity. This also wrong. Fall because the banana peel will reduce friction between her shoe and the ground. This is the correct statement. Fall because the banana peel will increase friction between her shoe and the ground. This is wrong. So our answer is C. 16. Which of the following is a non-verbal means of communication? Mime, radio, letter, newspaper. The correct answer is A. Mime. Mime means communication through actions only. 17. Ramesh, while climbing up a hill, started panting. His DAS system has to do extra efforts to help him climb. Here, panting means breathing heavily or breathing hardly. The options are reproductive, respiratory, excretory, digestive. So the correct answer is B. Respiratory. 18. Dance is an activity that resembles the revolutionary movement of Earth. A spinning top, a moving merry-go-round, an ox tied to and moving around a central pole, a ball sliding on the floor. The correct answer is C. Direction. Refer to the given word chop table and answer the questions 19 and 20. 19. Names of some fibers are hidden in the given word chop table. Clothing items that can protect us from extreme dash cannot be made from any of these fibers. So read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer from the word chop table. So to find the answer, we will check the options one by one. First one is cold. That means winter season. During winter, we have to wear woolen cloths. And in this word chop table, the word woolen is not given. So A is our answer. We will check other options also. Hot. Hot means summer. During summer, we have to wear cotton. Cotton is given here. 1 and 8. And rain. During rainy time, we have to wear raincoat, which is made up of nylon. So 5 and 6 make the word nylon. So our answer is A. 20. Names of some materials are hidden in this word chop table. Select the item that cannot be made of any of these materials. So you look at the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we will check the options one by one. First one is shoes. Shoes are made up of leather. And in this table, leather is not given. So our answer is A. And second one is chair. Chair is made up of wood. Wood is given here. If we combine 4 and 11, we get wood. Next one is raincoat. So it is made up of nylon. If we combine 5 and 6, we get nylon. Next one is newspaper. Newspaper is made up of paper. So if we combine 9 and 10, we get paper. So our answer is A. 21. Refer to the given figure of human digestive system. What will be the outcome if the part labeled X is removed? This is part X. This one. Read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. And here part X is small intestine. So our answer is D, both A and B. Absorption of nutrients will not occur. Complete digestion of food will not occur. 22. Unscramble the following options and select the one that gives term used for many bowl-like holes found on the surface of Earth's natural satellite. Try to find out the answer. Which is Earth's natural satellite? Moon. Next, you unscramble the given 4 options and find the answer. If we unscramble, we get poles, valleys, craters, axes. Our question is bowl-like holes found on moon. That is C, craters. 23. In which of the following setups a bright patch of light will be found on the screen? You look at the given 4 pictures carefully and try to find out the answer. The answer is D, because in D only the flame and the 3 holes are arranged in a straight line. 24. Ravi grouped similar types of transport means together. In doing so, he made one incorrect group. Find out this odd group. You read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. The odd one out is D. These two are air transport. Ship is a water transport. 25. Calcium, iron, potassium, iodine and common salt are examples of minerals, carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins. The answer is A, minerals. 26. Select the item that is not made using the material you will get by striking out every alternate letter starting from the first one in the given box. Try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, first we have to strike out alternate letter from the first letter. So we get metal. But here our question is, select the item that is not made using the material, that is metal. So our answer is A, crayons. 27. Select the bird which will have similar kind of beak as that of a sparrow. Eagle, woodpecker, swallow, hummingbird. Beak of sparrow is short and broad. So the answer is C, swallow bird. Okay. 28. The herd of lions is called dash. Herd of lions means group of lions. Mane, badger, pride, mink. The answer is C, pride. 29. Activities like dash are technically not considered as doing work in science. Because dash. Select the option that can correctly complete the above statement. You read the given 4 options carefully and try to find out the answer. The correct answer is D, both A and C. A is reading, no force is applied and no movement of objects occur. And C is thinking, no movement of objects occur. 30. Arrange the following containers in order of the amount of water contained in them and select the correct option. You look at the given 4 options and the capacity of P is 100 ml, capacity of Q is 10 ml, capacity of R is 10 ml and capacity of S is 100 ml. And here each division is equal to 10 ml and in Q each division is equal to 1 ml. In R each division is equal to 1 ml. In S each division is equal to 10 ml. You read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we have to note down the amount of water in each container. So we get P equal to 10 ml, Q equal to 8 ml, R equal to 8 ml and S equal to 10 ml. So our answer is D, R equal to Q less than P equal to S. Next topic is Achiever section 31. 3 dry soil samples X, Y and Z of equal weights 4 gram were taken on a filter paper and 50 ml of water was poured separately over each of them. After that they were weighed. Their weights after wetting are tabulated here. Which of the soil samples is most likely to be sandy soil? Look at the given table and read the given information carefully. Then try to find out the answer. To find the answer, we will analyze the given table. Soil X and its weight is 13 gram, Y 20 gram, Z 8 gram. Which one is sandy soil here? Z is the sandy soil because its weight is less after wetting, because sandy soil absorbs less water. It passes most of the water through it. So Z is the sandy soil. CZ is the answer. 32. The given graph shows the distance between the particles in 3 samples P, Q and R having water in different states of matter. Which of the following will not have X fixed shape only, Y fixed shape and volume? You look at the given graph carefully and then try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, first we will analyze the given graph. And this is distance between particles. So for P, distance is high. So P is gas. And in Q, the distance between particles is less. So Q is solid. In R, the distance between the particle is medium. So R is liquid. But here our question is, which of the following will not have fixed shape only? That is X answer. Okay. Not fixed shape means gas or liquid. So the answer may be P or R for X. So for X, here R, here P, here R, here P. So the answer may be any one of the four options. Now we will check Y. Not fixed shape and volume. So no fixed shape and no volume means it's gas. So P is the answer for Y. Q, here only P. So the answer is B. 33. Select the material that can be grouped with the materials in the given table based upon a similar feature. Materials: cotton, paper, soil. You read the given four options and try to find out the answer. And here the three materials are natural things. And the given four options, which one is the natural thing? Wool. So D is our answer. 34. The axis of the earth is tilted at an angle. This explains why the northern hemisphere is away from the sun and the southern hemisphere is towards it. Southern hemisphere is away from the sun and the northern hemisphere is towards it. Season in the northern hemisphere can never be the same as the season in the southern hemisphere. All of these. The correct answer is C. 35. The force of gravity is different on different planets. The given table shows how high can Shashi jump on 3 different planets with same effort. Now select the correct option regarding it. You look at the given table and read the given information carefully. Read the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. We know the force of gravity is high means the jumping height is low. If we compare these 3 jumping heights, and this planet has high gravity because its jumping height is low. So its gravity is high, its gravity is low, its gravity is medium. So to find the answer, we will read the options one by one. It will take more time for a ball of same mass to fall down from same height on planet X than planet. This is wrong because it will take less time because its gravity is high. And planet Y has 3 times more gravity than planet X. But planet Y has less gravity than planet X. So this is also wrong. Planet Z has 2 times more gravity than planet X. This is also wrong because planet X has high gravity than Z. So the correct answer is D. A ball of same mass will fall down later on planet Y than on planet Z when dropped from the same height. This is correct because Y has lower gravity than Z. So my dear students, today we have completed 2016 Set B NSO question paper for class 4 students. If you have any doubts, you please write it in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.